Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the class. What is the class? Practically, in one of the example, we will see the class and method and how the method will call, how we will use the class in main class. In main class we will see. Already I have written the statements to save the time. So this is the main class. This is the main class. Class program is the class name and main method. So in main method I written this like this. Before this, here we see the another class. Class name is my class. Class name is my class. Inside the my class I made one display method. Another method is show method. In display method I written the console.writeline display method calling. Here it is showing show method calling. So this is the another class, my class I created. Inside the class I made two methods, display and show methods I made. I will use these class and methods in main class. In main class main method. So this is a main method. So you see this line number 9. So my class obj is the instant of the class and new is the keyword, again the class name. This is the syntax to create instant of the class, object of the class. So my class is the class, my class object is obj. Obj is the variable, obj is the object of the my class. So next 10th line you see here, object obj dot. If we again I will remove these two lines and I will show you. You see I am typing obj display. You see I pressed the dot. You see display is the user defined method and again show is the user defined method. You see here symbol is different. Yeah. Again the display here also see here symbol is different, but equal, get hash code, get type, toString, these methods, this symbol is different. These are already predefined methods for this object, but these display and show methods are user defined. That means we are created these two methods. Okay, so I am using that display method. So another one is the obj dot show. You see here. Now once the program is start to execute, the compiler will start to execute. Initially from here, using the class, it will create the object of the class. After that 10th line, once you create the object, the compiler will go to here and it will create this object for this class. Now after creating object for this instant, the memory will be allocated. After that obj using this object we are calling the display method. Then the compiler will come to here and display these method. After that show method will again compile. Again the show method compiler will come here and execute this line, then read line. So after completing this group of statements, what we are expecting is first line is display method calling, because here after creating the object, here we are calling the display method. After that after that show method is calling, right? So display method is calling, after that show method is calling. These two strings are display one by one after compiling successfully this program. Now I am going to compile this program. We will see. Yeah, you see here display method calling and show method calling. That is as expected, it is system is showing this one. I will write another method in the same class. So I will write the another method. that method is add method and calling. This add method having some input values. Just you observe what is the data type we are using. So dot right line of add result is, you see here. Now I will call this add method obj. Here you can see the add, you see. After that, if I open the, you are seeing the arguments, parameters are there, int a, int b. That means in our previous sessions we learned parameterized method, parameterless method. Display and show are parameterless method. Add is the parameterized method. So here we are this method is expecting some in argument or parameter value. So I have done like this, you see here. So here what we learn, one is the class, we are creating another class. In the another class again we are created two parameterless methods and one parameterized method we are calling. You see here we are creating the object for this class and calling those methods, and we are giving the parameters, input parameter for this method. Then we will see the result. See here, one is the display and another one is the show. After that add result is 15. You see here 15, 10 plus 5, 15. So this is the friends, this is about creating the class and inside the class creating the parameterless method and parameterized method, and we are using this new class, we are using this class in main method, main class. How to using the object of the class and calling those methods as per our requirement, as per our task, what we are going to complete, the task. So according to that scenario, according to that requirement, we have to create the class and to create the methods and the parameterized or non-parameterless methods and providing the input providing the parameters if it is required as per your if it is required as per your requirement. Then we will write the code, then we will move further accordingly. Thanks friends, I hope you are all understand the basic, what is the class, how to create the new class in that class calling from main method and methods. Please subscribe this channel if you like this video, and give your comments, your valuable comments, give on below video. I will learn, I will go through those comments and reply accordingly. Thank you for your valuable time to watch this video.